95.3 FM.
The words honeymoon rings a lot around the dinner table, Jeff, around family meals.
Definitely. Everyone's talking about
Yep.
the honeymoon.
It comes up in conversation, honeymoon.
Yep.
Family get together. Kids, what are we doing today? Honeymoon.
Honeymoon.
Let's go on a honeymoon, kids. That is probably a weird thing to do. Don't do that if you have your kids. But
Yeah, that's odd. You don't want to bring kids to a honeymoon.
But what we should be teaching our kids, right? What is honeymoon really all about, Gaff?
I don't really know. Winnie the Pooh would know a lot more than I know.
He knows heaps.
Yeah.
I'm surprised Christopher Robin didn't explain it in most of those episodes. It's
well underway.
It's a royal tradition. This is probably where actually the words honeymoon originated from.
Yep.
So if you want to know where it all came from, stick around because we're going to have all the details for you.
We're going to cross live, so
And
stick around, guys.
We're going to see what honeymooning's all about.
95.3 FM.
We have the royal couple pretty much on the line.
Yep.
We're going to cross over to them, Jeff. Have some microphones in place.
Yep.
It's pretty exciting. This has never really been recorded before.
No.
And it's exclusive. So see what a royal honeymoon is really all about. It's a tradition.
Yep.
Family tradition passed down from many generations.
Yep. 30 odd years is the last time that I think it was
in place.
Actually done.
Yeah. Princess Diana, I think, was the last one that had a honeymoon.
Yeah.
Pretty exciting. Never documented, though. Well, let's not just muck around, Jeff.
Yep.
Let's go see what these two are up to.
Okay.
All right, everyone. Here we go.
I know it's not the biggest one you've ever seen, Catherine. But because I'm Prince of this manor, it's going to have to do.
Oh, William.
Oh, come on, Catherine. You said you'd do it. It's all sticky.
Oh, wow. It's going all over me. This is sticky.
Whoa.
Wow.
That is amazing. That is magical, Jeff.
I've never heard anything like that. And that
the
is
royal honeymoon.
I feel privileged to have heard that.
If you just heard that, you are just one of many
Yep.
who just got to hear that honeymoon live.
Exclusively. No one else has got any other audio.
You'll never hear anything like that again. Ever on radio. Ever. Anywhere you go.
You won't.
And it's amazing, Jeff, just to hear that ritual in place. You know, like a true honeymoon.
I feel honoured.
Me too.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm part of the kingdom.
The fact that William bring his moon.
Yes, and then Kate bring a bunch of honey.
And then poured it on
all over the moon. Is just magical.
I know.
It's a bound of love and friendship.
And beautiful.
It's charismatic.
It's symbolic.
It's crownship in the making.
And that
the royal honeymoon. If you heard that, that is amazing. You must be very honoured.
There you have it, guys.
Crackles and Gafa.